grüße euch aus Las Vegas. Ich bin mal wieder hergekommen zum Battlefield Shooting Range, umgeben von Panzern aller Kaliber und Jahrgänge. Hinter mir ein alter Leopard, der hier sein Dasein fristet. Und das Schöne hier ist, man kann auch mit fast allem schießen. Zwar nicht ich heute mit diesem Leopardpanzer hinter mir, sondern mit einer ganz alten Waffe, einem Maschinengewehr 0815 aus dem Ersten Krieg. Die Hauptbewaffnung der deutschen Infanterie. Mir völlig unbekannt, kannte ja das Maschinengewehr 3, mit dem ich viel geschossen habe, aber sehr spannend wird natürlich, während ich hier von Flugzeugen gestört werde in meinem Vortrag, was macht das MG 08 und was macht das MG mit mir? Bis gleich. MG 0815, MP40 und Maschinengewehr 15 von 1933. Also first? Oh.
Yeah, you want to go down. Iron sights are through the notch to the post and center, all right? When you're ready, you let me know. Yeah. I'm gonna load you up. You miss a cloth belt, 8 mil. This thing's gonna be nuts. I got you. Be aware, sergeant handle, that. Hands right here. I'm gonna smack your fingers. Just be clear of that. Your head up. There's that, right? Oh no, so you're good. Should be good to go. Alright.
That's safe. You want to save you guys, okay? You're gonna like this. This is really fun to shoot.
Typically, it works better if you hold it down.
That muzzle brake.
And give it a good one.
Yeah.
Make good noise.
Just hold down that trigger. Let it ride. Nice. Good job, man. Think about old machine guns. Start firing. It's best that you keep firing. With old machine guns, momentum once started is best kept. Just because the super old.
It's air cooled.
Technically speaking, it's supposed to be water cooled, but we don't fire.
The last one was air cooled. It was close lighter. 1.6 liter.
Yeah, this one is this was the lighter version. But then again, you can still fill it with water because the barrel is very thin, and we don't fire enough rounds through it all at once in order to make a difference. You got him. Take a look. Check that out. Pretty sweet. All right. Did you want a photo with him? You can take a photo.
Get it on video.
I'm just trying to see if it's too hot. I think it's okay. Alright. Better safe than sorry.
Yeah, you can't get a G26 with yes.
Those are the pistols.
You can get one that's bastardized.
To see to get the airplane.
Like, I get discounts, and I still have to pay like $100 on the support.
For a scar?
Come on, guys!
That was a cool ass gun, but that was
No. If you're gonna spend that much, I look at the real way.
Right? Dude, let's spend $4 grand. I can get like 2 or 3 guns.
Exactly.